You want to do this thing we all love so much for a living? Then that casual approach you've been taking is going to have to change. Sound Society, it's time to get busy. In a world where there are enough dollars and fans out there for everybody, today I'm talking to all the aspiring music creatives and those who might be looking to put together their own music production company or independent record label. And make sure to watch this entire video because I got to clear up any misunderstanding on what can actually lead to getting your business administratively dissolved. And in full transparency, I have a business relationship with the service provider featured in this video and earn commissions when you shop through my links in the description below. Of course, at no additional cost to you. So you're either A, really dope at what you do and are ready to start making money off your craft, or B, already seeing some kind of income from your skill sets and are wanting to further legitimize your efforts. And how do we do so? By establishing and creating your own business entity, or in other words, officially forming a business. Now, while there are many types of business entities, the type that most of you will be wanting to form is what is known as an LLC, or limited liability company. Now that we know the what, let's go over the why and when in forming your LLC. So why an LLC? Because of the benefits and flexibility that it provides for you and your business. An LLC helps provide limited liability protection to its owners. What does that mean? It means that the LLC that you have formed is offering you, the business owner, protection, all in an attempt to help reduce your amount of liability. So should your business face any legal heat or financial difficulties, your LLC as its own entity is saying, hey, go do your thing. Let all that heat fall on us, and hey, while you're at it, take the shield before you jump out there on that business battlefield, because you're gonna need it. Operating as an LLC makes it more difficult for your personal assets to be at risk. This is extra important in the music industry where legal issues and disputes often arise, and having a legal barrier between those personal and business assets is crucial. So we're talking your house, your cars, any type of accounts, whether it be asset or liquid based, with an LLC in place is going to help protect your personal assets should your company face any legal issues. Hope you're still with me because there are more benefits and we still need to discuss getting your LLC revoked. Subscribe for more content, hit that comment section for any questions you may have. Having an LLC structure can definitely lend a sense of professionalism and legitimacy to your business. This can become important when dealing with any artists that you're trying to align with or bring on board, along with other businesses, industry professionals, and last but not least, potential investors. LLCs are so easy to form and have fewer administrative requirements compared to other business structures such as corporations. This can be beneficial for small businesses or startups in the music industry. Now, I know these LLC benefits sound good and all, but I'm sure many of you have these very questions in your head as we speak. But when is the right time for me to move on this and officially form my business? Am I ready now? Is now the right time? And that's a good question. And although the answer is extremely subjective, I will leave you with this. If you're a hobbyist, as in you don't have any desire or drive to monetize off your craft and are just doing this music thing for fun, no judgment passed. Let's keep it real. An LLC, no need. But if you're serious, even as a form of a side hustle, or if you're one of those already receiving income to any capacity, I would definitely say strap on those boots. Let's continue to march forward. So you say, okay. The solution to all this? Bizee. bizee.com is where you can find the solutions to all your business startup needs. Now, there are a couple things I need to touch on before we jump to bizee.com and form our LLC. A couple things I wish I understood before I got started that I know y'all will also find as value as well. 1. Forming an LLC with Bizee is 100% free. The actual forming of the LLC itself is free. 2. The upfront state fee. This fee amount will vary from state to state. Link in the description to verify your state's rate. It's one time upfront. Mind you, this isn't on the company you're filing with. Nonetheless, it's a fee that you can't get around. It has to be taken care of when you initially form your LLC, like today or tomorrow or whenever you decide to start getting busy. 3. A registered agent, something else you'll have to account for. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of a business. And me, I don't have time for all that. I got enough to deal with as it is. That's why I lean in on services like Bizee to handle that for me. So to all you future business owners, yes, this registered agent service is an ongoing annual fee, but once again, lucky for you, with Bizee, the first year is free. And for the bonus, more value for all y'all out there, I got to give y'all the drop on 4. The annual report serves as a way for the state to keep updated information on your LLC and its activities. That, of course, can be taken care of online. But even if you're doing it yourself, this annual report will typically involve some type of filing fee, which will vary from state to state. So note that. Also note, this annual report filing service is not currently included in any of the startup packages. However, you can lean in on Bizee to get that filed for you correctly and on time. And of course, for a nominal fee. Once again, link in the description for all that. And now, Here's where we clear up any talk on LLCs getting revoked. So, there's some people, which understandably so, may feel that you will get your LLC revoked if your business is not falling to profit fast enough. And I'm here to tell you that this is not the case. Your business's profit and loss or P&L sheet ties into filing your taxes. And as long as you're running a legit business, meaning you're actually receiving income and paying your taxes responsibly, you will not be getting your LLC revoked for filing for a loss year after year. Cool, now that that's out there. Where you can get your LLC revoked or administratively dissolved is involving the annual report that I just mentioned. Now, depending on the state of formation, an annual report may be required, where in this case, your LLC may be revoked for failure to file this report. With that said, I encourage all of you to look into your state guidelines for the final say on this topic. I hope that lends somebody out there some clarity. Now, enough of all that, let's form this LLC. Step 1, enter your entity type. LLC, and then select your state of formation, whatever state you're in. Step 2, select your package. Starting on the right with the silver package, you'll see bizee $0 LLC formation. Underneath that, you'll see the non-negotiable fee I mentioned earlier. Your state fee may be cheaper or more expensive depending on your state. Nonetheless, that's out of bizee's control. Moving left, it's important to note you're still receiving no charge for the actual LLC formation. The different package rates are obviously due to their respective perks and features listed below, so let's touch on the highlights. So now the gold package is immediately attractive for me because it includes the EIN number, which you will of course need. Yes, you can go knock on the IRS's door and get it yourself, but like I said, I ain't trying to be like this guy. Other mentions on the gold package is the operating agreement. Although it's not required in every state, I would still recommend it. It's a valuable tool for establishing a well-organized and legally sound business structure. So having the operating agreement is a good look as it lends your business additional credibility. Oh, and remember that registered agent service is free the first year with every bizee package. But what about that platinum package? And with this package, what I find enticing is that bizee offers covering your domain name and email address free for the first year. And if you're one of those that got big things popping and are in a time crunch, with this platinum package, it provides you with expedited LLC filing. And how does that translate in real life? Well, the turnaround time varies from state to state. In some states, you may just be saving a couple of days. In other states, expedited filing might save you weeks. So if you're in no rush, you'll probably find the gold package will suffice. At any rate, pick the package that best suits your needs. And beyond this point, we'll speed up the process while I give you the synopsis. So check it out. Beyond selecting your package, you have exactly 12 pages to cover while you're accompanied with the checkout progress bar every step of the way. It may sound like a lot, but if you have all your info at hand, you can literally complete your checkout in less than 10 minutes. If you're really nice with the keys, honestly, you can check out in less than 5. Now, during these last pages, in addition to providing your basic personal and business information, bizee offers you additional services to enhance your experience as a new business owner at a nominal charge in an attempt to make things more convenient for you. And for this demonstration, I'm going to decline all the package upgrades to show you just how transparent the bizee experience actually is. And as we arrive on the last page where payment info is asked for, this is the last step into becoming an official business owner. Once you provide the necessary info completing this page, you will immediately receive a payment confirmation email. And from that point, you're going to jump back to it and get busy. Moving forward with your vision, building your brand while we let bizee do all the tedious paperwork for us. So you can be less like this and more like this. bizee.com, Master Miller, comment section. See you there.